Hi guys. Welcome back to another video. We are back again in launch a boat for or build a boat for children. Today we have Addie with me here. Say hi, Addie.
Hey.
Since you guys loved her so much, and if you hear some ruffling by her, she's eating, so don't mind it. And today we're gonna see whose boat lasts the longest. We're both gonna get 2 tries. If our boat dies the first,
I don't know what to do.
that's what I'm explaining. So basically, you just place some blocks down, and then you try to make a float.
On the water?
No, on the grass.
Okay, I think I can make a boat.
Yes, it is very simple. And when you get gold, you can buy chests. And when you buy chests, you get materials. And what do you do with materials? You build.
I don't like math stuff. I'm just gonna
Oh
go.
wow. Says the girl who took
My face does not want to place down.
Show
I'm
me.
trying to make something.
How
Doesn't
is it?
want to place down.
How do you think that
And
is?
I'm getting very upset.
Guys, tell me in the comments if there is even anybody who does comment. Your favorite subject in school? Mine is history. What is yours, Addie?
I think math.
Moth.
Math.
It's a moth.
Math. I'm against math.
The thing I did guys, we're just saying we're not very good in English. We don't talk this language, but we're not gonna tell our real language because we are not. What the frick is this stuff?
My finger's not supposed to build.
Show me your freaking screen. Guys, look at my rear boat.
See? Okay, look. So, I'm go here, then I go to there, then I'm here. Then if I go like that, oh, okay, well.
Guys,
if I go like that, and I try to go like this, it doesn't want to click.
Do we have enough blocks?
Where do I see how many? Thank you. How do I gain blocks?
You have to get. How much gold do you have?
Where do I see how many? Oh, 10.
Okay, go to menu, and then you can buy two common. Then you can buy 2 common chests.
Okay, should I buy 2 uncommon chests?
2 common. Uncommon is 15, you're 19. Guys, have you ever played a game with your friend, but then they don't know a clue? Then they don't know a freaking cooking clue about what's going on, and then you have to explain everything. Oh, Pepsi. Okay. What is your favorite? Pepsi or Coke? Mine's Pepsi.
Mine's Coke.
What?
Actually, no, Pepsi.
Pepsi's the best.
Yeah.
People in the comments be like, oh, no. Coke is the best ever.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of even.
Yeah,
Coke is like. If you're in the water, you die.
Have you already started? Okay, so now you only have 1 chance left. If you die this time, you don't get another chance. Okay, so I'm going to tell you when you launch your boat. So build your boat right now.
Wait a second. How do you get gold thin bricks?
You have to make it past levels, and for each level you get 8.
I know I'm on level 0, but where do I see?
No. It's like the levels your boat goes through. So just build your bow right now, and I'll tell you when to take off.
I don't know how I'm gonna do that because I have 7 blocks to work with.
Then just make it.
No. Okay, well, I died again.
Okay, I told you. Just do it. Okay. Did you place the seat and the propeller down?
No, I just built 2 blocks and then I launched it, but I didn't need to.
You have to put the propeller and the seat in.
Good to know. Okay.
Else the river will have no mercy on you. Okay, so I'm ready. I'm ready. Just tell me when you can. You're ready.
I will do that. My build is so beautiful.
Okay, so guys, we are changing the time now. You only get 1 life, but because Butterfly Eddie's is sorry, I'm looking at your username. Because Eddie is new, we're going to give her a third chance.
Where do I put the propeller? Just anywhere on my boat?
Not with the back.
I don't have a back or a front.
Show me your freaking screen.
This is my boat.
Okay. I put it behind the main seat. Yes, like that.
Beautiful. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Now just press launch.
No, wait. Okay, you said launch. Okay, launch in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I've launched. Hola, soy Dora.
Hello.
I'm saying.
I'm not even sitting on the seat. I'm sitting on. Oh no.
I forgot to tell you, Eddie. You can control your boat, just like you normally do. Like how you walk.
What? I don't know what you're saying.
Like how you walk in Roblox. You can control your boat like that.
Well, I'm just going through the obstacle course real quick.
Same. He will. Like this girl just sends me hola, sweet Dora, like one time, and I'm like, the frick, and she's like, and she's like, I only heard the what. I'm like,
you lose blocks when you touch things. Can I move myself? In the water?
If you have another seat. If you go in the water.
I died. I'm in the water and I died. Oh, I claimed. Oh, I got to the flower. Oh, yay. And I got 24 gold. Oh my goodness, I'm rich, people.
Definitely. Okay, guys, so we're gonna see how far I can get. Let's see if we get I can get to the treasure.
Oh wow, you're saying I like I'm nothing to you.
Oh jeez. Oh frick, I hate this level.
Okay, I'm gonna try to build a better boat. How do you build a boat? My boat was interesting, very interesting.
No. I don't have a seat left. I don't have a freaking seat left.
Oh, that's karma for you.
That is not karma. This is torture. No.
Please tell me you died.
I did it.
Okay, good.
This candy train's gonna kill me though. Come on.
Oh, I thought you did. That's why I said good.
Oh wow. Guys, just see how mean this girl is.
Oh wow. I'm gonna put 4 seeds down. I'm not risking dying. No.
Like, I swear, I was gonna die.
Have to come see my boat. It's so beautiful. And I want your viewers to see too. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna add a little bit of things to it to make it shine a little bit more.
No, I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die!
Please tell me you died.
I did.
Yeah.
Okay, good, but wait, let's see. Oh, I got 56.
Come look at my boat. Why did you come see it?
How? Okay, well, I'll come then.
I don't know if you can come.
I think I can. I just don't know how. And you?
Oh, I think there's other people close to mine, so maybe you're the one across me.
I don't want to cross you. Okay, but guys, we're going to have to end the video here. See you all in the next video. It's probably like tomorrow.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. And bye.
Bye.
You will.